So once again, a very good morning to everyone who are attending the meeting today. It's very nice to have you guys here. Today we will be discussing about all our assignments and everything. I'm happy that the X Culture project has already been concluded, which is great. Great news, right? You all have been a part of the X Culture. You've done a good. Some of you have done really, extremely, very well. I mean, some of you have done a great job. Some of you have just finished the assignment, which is also fine. But those who have done a great job, they will definitely, see it in their peer review and in their grades. So here's quickly what I want to show you. And then, of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to stop me at any time and I'll be answering your questions. Okay, so today happens to be just more like, revisiting what you guys have to do for completing this course. As I said, X Culture was a big deal of this course and all of you have done that, which is great news. Most probably, by next week, I will be receiving your X Culture Global Collaboration certificates from the University of North Carolina. So I will be sending those certificates to you. I think they come to me as a batch for BBAs. So obviously, all your certificates, I'm going to put them on the Blackboard, and I'll also send it to you through email. But I won't be able to send you individual copies. So again, for the certificates for X Culture that are coming to you next week, make sure that you figure out which page is yours and be able to get that printout or keep that page for you. Right. So, it'll come to you as a PDF from me next week. So all of you have received your X Culture certificates. So congratulations, kudos for doing that. It's great news. I'm so happy with all of your performance. So as a collective performance by the group, I think it was amazing. As I said, some of you did brilliantly well. So congratulations on that. Again, the session today has been is recorded. So and I will be sharing the recording at the end of our session. Once recording, it takes a few minutes, so I'll be sending you that immediately as soon as I receive it. Let me quickly share my screen with you so that you can actually see it for yourself. All right, so this is how your course actually looks like on the Blackboard, right? So when you open up your course, you have the synchronous meetings. Remember, today happens to be the final synchronous meeting that we have, and then it's all done, right? So the course is actually getting over as quickly as today. But obviously, there's one assignment that's pending for you all to do. So you have those synchronous WebEx and assignments tab on the top. Then, of course, it's my information here, course syllabus. Here is where all the assignments are housed. Where you say all course assignments are here. And you can see the bonuses have been done already. I know some of you have reached out to me asking me more time for the bonuses. The bonuses, I cannot give you more time. So bonuses is over and above your regular assignments. So for the bonuses, the deadlines are important. So I cannot give you extra time for bonuses. But for the assignments 1, 2, and 3, it's fine. So if you, as far as the close, is before April 30th, I will be accepting any new assignment 1, 2, and 3. That's fine from my end. So assignment 1 was all about resume, LinkedIn, and your website. It has been graded. Some of you have done some stuff later. So let me know if you have received your updated or modified grades or not. If not, please send me your email so that I can check why have your grades not been upgraded. Okay, so I have done a lot of corrections. I know a lot of people sent me their revised assignment 1, which I have taken into account. Again, if yours doesn't happen to be one of them, please email me. And I'll be happy to check it again. Okay. Then we have assignment number 2. This was where you were supposed to submit, and let me open this assignment. This is where you were supposed to submit your X Culture through your poster presentation or just one poster PowerPoint. That is it. So just one poster PowerPoint. And again, I want the submission as a PPT and not a PDF. So let me clarify. If anyways, or any case, if you guys have submitted a PDF, I would ask you to resubmit because I would need a PowerPoint. Okay. So this was an assignment where where in your poster, the headings will be similar to the poster template provided. So I've given you 3 poster templates here. You need to have an abstract, background, SWOT analysis, your X culture team, world market choices and entry mode strategies, pestle analysis and competition, even your SWOT analysis, of course, that's already covered here, number 2. And then number 6 is most important, highlight the proposed innovation for the X Culture client company. So we were looking at the design thinking innovation for you. Remember, I think in my last class, I talked about design thinking. So make sure that you're using this for doing this assignment number 2. Okay. And 3 examples are already given to you. So here, if you open this up in the 3 dots here, you can always go ahead and download, right? But here are the examples. Even if you just click on it, you can see the examples. But as I said earlier, use the 3 dots, download them, and then you can start working on them because these are all PowerPoint slides that's given to you. So you can make it your own, right? So these are 3 examples. I've already discussed this in my last video that I've already uploaded. And that's your assignment 2. Again, one more time, where are the videos? The videos are all given in the course content plus class meeting video recording. So if you click here, you will be able to see all the videos. So there's Professor Arora's number 1 video, number 2 is right here, and the number 3 where we discussed about your assignment 2 is present here, okay? Now let's talk about assignment 3. I know in my last meeting I talked about that, but let me clarify assignment 3 again. I know I had given you time until Saturday tomorrow, but I'm going to give you 7 more days or 10 more days, I would say. So now this assignment is due by next Saturday. So again, 8 days, not 10 days, but 8 days. And this is due by April 19th. And if you look at this assignment, it's very simple. Upload your recorded audio video presentation. So don't ask me, do I have to present with my face on? Yes, video means that, right? You are having the audio as well as a video, something like I'm doing right now. I have a WebEx open right now, and I'm actually recording my audio video at the same time. You can see me and you can hear me. That's exactly what you have to do for yourself. I need this recorded audio video presentation recorded through either WebEx or Zoom, or even on the PowerPoints. You have the audio video recording capabilities. That's great. I know some of the older versions may not have the video recording capability, and that's a problem. Again, the requirement is an audio video presentation, right? So I got to see you and hear you at the same time. All right, so this is what you have to do for your X Culture experience by Saturday. I'm sorry, I have to change this. This is April 19th now. So it used to be April 12th, that's tomorrow, but I've given you more time. So now it's April 19th, as you can see on the top here. All right, now with that said, once you make your X Culture poster from assignment 2, you will need to audio video record your 7 to 9 minutes presentation with reference to your 1 poster PowerPoint with the following headings: title, company represented, abstract, background, SWOT analysis, X Culture team, world market choices and entry mode strategies, competition, and most importantly, highlight the proposed innovation. That's a design thinking component for the X Culture client company. Again, the poster templates, I've given you some examples here. Let me just go ahead and try to download this part so that I can show you exactly what I mean. So here's an example of a student where I don't know if it's let me just play this, then we know exactly who the student is. But the poster template is right here. So if you click on that, you can even download the poster template. So 3 dots, and you click here and it'll download that for you. And I think in my case, my downloads are here. So I'll have to go back. So there is the audio video is right here. So let me click on the audio video. And if I play it, let's see if it plays.
Hi, my name is Imani Mills, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my design thinking recommendations for my project group that I did for international marketing. We worked on the case study for Moss Burger in Japan, and my X Culture team consisted of 5 people, including myself. The first person.
All right, so this is an example where the student has the PowerPoint right here for the poster PowerPoint from assignment 2. And now she is recording her audio video talking about the design thinking recommendations for her company, which happened to be Mossberger. She was a student from last semester. I thought her example was perfect. And so you guys can use that. So this is exactly what I want you to do. And in her case, she made it 12 minutes, but the restriction for you guys is 9 minutes, right? So 7 to 9 minutes of the video. And again, if I show you her PowerPoint, the PPT is right here. The poster PowerPoint that she had from her assignment 2 is right here. All right. Oh, this is an example. Oh, this is yet another example. I'm sorry. This is an example where we have this student who recorded himself using the PowerPoint poster assignment 2. And you can see his video right here. So if I play this in a big screen, let's see. So he recorded himself on the PowerPoint and I can see his face, and I'm sure if I play it, it will play.
Hello, my name is Jesse Belinga, and I'll just be presenting my agriculture project, which me and my group members.
Right, so this is yet another example. So sort of I've given you 2 examples. One is where the student is using a WebEx or a Zoom for recording herself. And the other is where we have a PowerPoint and the student recorded himself on the PowerPoint. The audio video recording. Remember, I need the video. I need to see you, okay? All of this is important, and the submission deadline, again, I'm sorry, this is not April 12th anymore. This is April 19th, okay? So this particular project is now due for next Saturday. That's the last thing that you guys have to do. So this is assignment 3. Once again, I will be, the recording will be available to you so that you can figure out what assignment 3 looks like. But if you're looking at the other assignment 2 help, then obviously the last class that we have, that's March 7th, where we talked about design thinking in X Culture poster assignment 2 is available here. So you can just click on it and the video will start playing and letting you know what needs to be done. So this was my last class. All right, a very good morning, everyone. It's so good, right? So that's what it is. So again, simple steps. And I will make sure that I have the video recording available for you guys. Any questions? So once again, I will be providing you the video recording. I'll send it to you through the announcement section that goes to your email. And I'll also provide the video recording right here under course content. But remember, for you guys right now, assignment 3 is coming up. That's due for April 19th. And I think I forgot to tell you how much points. So let's see how many points is this assignment for. This is, I'll have to see. All right, 100 points. So maximum points is 100. So this assignment is due for 100 points. All right. So this is what we have. And if I check the grade book here, so obviously this is how, and this is a dummy student, so don't even bother about the zeros here. I'm sure some of you have been graded already. So bonuses have been graded. Assignment 1 is being given to you. The midterm grades points, which is 100 points for your X Culture weekly feedback and certificates have been given. The final report points, I've already checked your final report, that's been given. And assignment 2 points for 150 also should have been given. So sort of if you look at this particular space, you have 150, 150, 300, 400, 500, and 600. So the total points for you guys will be 600 points. Plus we have all the extras or the incentive points or the bonuses coming here. And also I will have one other bonus coming to you, and that will be your TK20 and your final feedback survey for the class. You will have 25 bonuses for completing those surveys. So keep a lookout for my email. It'll be coming to you next week. Okay. Well, that's it. I mean, I just want to make sure it's quick, short, and you guys know exactly what you have to do. Let me stop sharing my screen and then we can have your questions. Any questions by the group? Anyone? Jung, Tori, and Greg. Any questions? All right, it seems like there are no questions. So that's about it. Please ensure that you finish or you complete your assignment 3 for next week, April 19th, Saturday. and you will have your certificates coming to you either by next week or the last week of April. I will make sure that your certificates are there with you before the course gets over. One other thing which which I forgot to mention is, apart from getting the certificates from me, you will also receive an individual email that will come to your email boxes, the udc.edu emails. It'll come to you from University of North Carolina, the founder, Dr. Vas Taras, for the X Culture project. He will actually be sending you individualized, personalized email where he will sort of recommend the student for all the great things that you guys have done for the X Culture project. He gives all the stats about your leadership, your communication, everything that you have done as a part of the project, and sort of it can be used as a recommendation letter for you guys whenever you're applying for any jobs or internships. So that letter, please make sure that you have have an eye out for that letter. That will be coming to you around May 15th, right? So that's when everything gets over, the course is over, and that's when he sends those letters to all the students with your X Culture certificate attached to the letter. And again, he will talk about all the great things in terms of the statistics, the numbers. You have done a great job in leadership skills. You have 5 people on your team. All those great things he will talk about. And I've seen those, the students have been using that letter for getting the jobs and internships. So keep an eye out for that particular letter. That'll be coming to you on May 15th. All right. So if there are no questions, great. If there are no questions, please, feel free. I mean, I'm going to stop the session now. You guys can leave. And I'll be waiting for others. If anyone joins in this period, in this 1 hour period, I'm here waiting for them. But you guys are all good to go. Have a great one and take care.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.